So hello friends, welcome to my travel vlog. Actually I'm going to move back to IIT Ropar campus today. Not actually move back, I am going to shift there for the first time. I am the student of MTech, Manufacturing Engineering, and my first year went almost online and now the second year is going to be offline. And so I'm going from Jalandhar to Ropar and I booked a cab through BlaBla. This is an application actually for carpooling. So the person is traveling from Amritsar to Ropar and he's gonna pick me up from PAP Chowk Jalandhar. I am standing right now there and he will be here anytime. He called me that he's I guess 10 to 20 kilometer away right now. So I think he'll take 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, so I'll continue the next part when I'll be in the car. Bye. While I'm waiting for my ride, so I'll show you the surrounding. PAP Chowk is really beautiful. You can see the wall paintings over here. As Jalandhar is famous as a sports city, so they have made a few sports stars on the walls. And I just got call from my companion rider, Mr. Prithpal. He's told me that he'll be here in 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes I'm gonna start my journey. Okay guys, so I'm back. Actually I got the ride. Mr. Prithpal ji is with me. So he's going actually to Mohali and he has done me a favor. He's gonna drop me to Ropar. And bahar to bahut garmi thi and I am feeling better now. It's very good over it. Like AC is going on. Kafi अच्छा यहाँ पे मॉल है. So बाकी I'll now catch you when I'll reach Ropar. Okay then, till then, bye. Okay guys, so it's 2:55 right now and I think we are 40 kilometers away from Ropar. We will be there in some time and मेरे कुछ और friends भी हैं, like for 1 year we are in contact on calls. I'm gonna meet them. वो सारे वहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं and they are texting me that they have got their rooms and my room is also allotted there. I'll go and see there and till then let's just wait and enjoy the ride. So friends, I am now going to IIT Ropar. You can see my looks. Actually it's quite hot weather here and जो कैब ड्राइवर थे BlaBla के मिस्टर प्रितपाल, उन्होंने मुझे रोपर टू चंडीगढ़ हाईवे पे उतार दिया. फ्रॉम देयर आई हैव बोर्डेड अ auto rickshaw. From here I'll go to IIT Ropar and they are going to charge like 50 rupees and they will drop me to IIT Ropar campus and let's see how it will be there. So finally I am to the campus. Mechanical am. So this is going to be my blog. Day wala? Okay. This is the chemistry blog. And hostel kithe hai? And these are the hostel. So I am finally in the campus. This is going to be my house for the next 1 year. And now I am going to medical center for reporting and they have asked me to bring RT-PCR report, first dose vaccination report, but I don't have hard copy of the first dose vaccination. Let's see what will happen there. And so finally I am in the medical center of IIT Ropar. तो यहाँ पे ये एक फॉर्म दिया है उन्होंने मुझे. ये सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म फिल करके मुझे यहाँ पे सबमिट करना है विद माई RT-PCR रिपोर्ट एंड उसके बाद दे विल अलाउ मी टू हॉस्टल. ओके, मैं फिल कर रहा हूँ ये फॉर्म. Okay, so guys, finally so finally I am here in Vyas hostel and you can see that I am completely spread out. So here what they'll do, they will check your documents, the one document that you'll get from the medical center, and then you have to form over here, fill a form, and then you have to fill the entry, and I'm very lucky. मैंने इत्थे आंदे अपने पंजाबी भाजी मिल गया. I'll introduce you. So this is going to be my house, like home for 7 days. And here is the list for your room numbers. So ਤੁਹਾਡੇ room number ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ that what is your room number, and you can go to your room, and here is a barcode. You have to scan and register for the mess. Your food will be here at the entry. And now I'm going to my room. मैंने देख लिया नीचे लिस्ट में मेरा नाम 243 रूम नंबर के आगे लिखा हुआ है. So let's go. This is 201. Okay, so 2027. I think it will be over there, that side somewhere. Okay, there these are 255, 252, maybe. Yes, I'm going. Okay, sorry. So sorry. Sweeper was cleaning, so I'll just take the another route. Okay, so 248, 249, so I think it must be there. 245. Okay, so it must be somewhere here. Okay, 243 it is. This is my room. Oh, interesting. So you can clearly see that they have allotted me a wash basin, a bathroom, a toilet number, and a urinal number. So for my quarantine period, I have to use only these respective toilet numbers, washrooms, urinals, so that there is minimum, spread of COVID. So let's see the room. Okay, we have a balcony. So this is my quarantine hostel for next 7 days. तो मेरा एक फ्रेंड है मोहम्मद अल्ताफ, ये भी आज आने वाला था, तो आ चुका है ये. लेट्स मीट हिम. आ चुका. क्या हाल चाल है? कौन सा रूम मिला तुझे? हेलो. So how are you feeling being in IIT?
It's like going through
A lot of quarantine.
a lot of
Okay, so
a lot of formalities.
let me take you to other students. Okay, so there is one more friend of ours that is in 214 room, and we are gonna give him a surprise. He's not picking our call. Maybe he's sleeping. Okay, here it is, 214. So this is Kundan. How are you, sir? So he's really good friend of mine, Kundan. Kundan, say hi.
So hi everyone.
So how are you feeling meeting me?
I'm feeling very excited and I was waiting very long and this man has reached.
Okay, so actually he was sleeping. I think I have disturbed him.
No,
so
no.
Now I'll take a break from you. I'll talk to him. Bye bye. Okay friends, so अभी मैं I have changed my clothes and मैं रूम पूरा सेट करके रेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. It's been a like big day. So tomorrow मैं आपको next vlog में hostel tour करवाऊँगा. I'll show you the hostel, washrooms, everything, and then food. Obviously the most important thing of your quarantine. So let's end this vlog here. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Take care.